Again I'm repeating you, clear? So already you know the center part is sun I taken, clear? The center part, the yellow part is sun I am taken. Now I am introducing moon. So moon is, I think you observed, there is a very little bit a point like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the moon. Now observe the rotation. That is the normal rotation. So like this, there is a reading is running, right? Earth days at the top right, sorry, down right side, right? It is rotating, right? Rotating, right? So now I am increasing the fast. So it is fast. Clear? I will apply now each and every actions here. Now for example, I am now applying velocity. So velocity is moving in this direction, right? Velocity have both direction and magnitude, right? Velocity have both magnitude and direction, right? So that arrow mark denotes the direction of velocity. Clear? Now actually now the moon have a velocity, but it is not showing. So velocity now showing its direction. Clear? Now I am showing the gravitational force. How the gravitational force is working and which direction the gravitational force is working. Clear? Now I am switching on the gravitational force. So it is showing two arrows, right? The moon is showing gravitational force towards the sun. Why? Because the gravitational force is experienced by the sun in that direction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At the same way, the sun attracting the moon in the direction. Clear? The waves, the attraction waves are moving in the direction, right? Similarly, you can observe that the moon also attracts the sun in the arrow mark shown by the moon in that direction. In the same way, the sun attracts the moon in the direction where the sun showing the arrow mark. Clear? Now you understood, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
now, if you observe the path, now I am defining the gravity. Now I am just removing the gravity. If you observe the path, like the path, it is moving. Like the path, it is moving. Clear? Like the path, it is moving. You can observe how the path is moving, right? A graphical representation. I think if you understood now, what is the graphical representation? That's why we are using graphical representation, which is most important in the 9th class. For example, if I want to find what location the satellite I just placed, in what location the satellite is placed. So by the graphical representation means nothing but dividing entire space into different parts, right? Right? Now, for example, if you observe the star mass will be increasing, the size of the star or size of the sun, right? Size of yellow color is sun, right? Now the size of the sun is increasing. Size of the sun is increasing means nothing but mass is increasing, right? See, observe now everyone observe the yellow color round ball, like that is nothing but a sun. I just said to you, right? Now the mass of the sun is increasing. See, what will be happen to the moon? It will becomes near, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Why? The size of the sun, if I am increasing, means the gravity is increasing. So the gravity is increasing means the moon is coming to the near to the sun. So similarly, if observe the same simulation. If the now gravitation is increasing a lot increasing means, see how it is come very near to the sun. Somewhat, if I am increasing somewhat more means simply it will be fall down towards the sun. Clear? Now, if I am decreasing the mass of the sun now, that means size of the sun I am decreasing. See, observe the yellow color ball only. I am just decreasing. See what the moon position. It is now going away, right? Now it is going away, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the effect of gravitation. Clear? Now that is the effect of gravitation. Now it is going like this. Now I am just I'm just increasing the mass. Actually, if I am decreasing completely the mass, means the moon went away somewhere. Actually, the moon went away somewhere. It left out of the gravitation of the sun. So that if I am increasing the, see, observe the yellow color ball. If I am increasing the moon size also, the moon will not come back. Why? Because it went away, and it will be causes to some other star experience, some other star gravitational experience. So again now the moon came, right? See how it is come, and it will be hits the moon, it will hits the sun, because of the gravitational experience, it will be come back, and simply hits. See how the paths will be distracted. If any distraction, any disturbance in the gravitation, means it will be behaves like that. The phenomenon will be occurs like that. Clear? See, now again I will start the same. The earth will be starting, the moon will be starting rotation. Clear? For example, I think observe right now. So for example, it is rotating. I am showing the path, and I am showing the grid way, right? For example, if I am increasing the gravitation, see, very near. For example, if I show there is a no gravitation, means, see, if there is no gravitation, right now it have a gravitation, right? Because of the gravitation only it is rotating like this, right? Right, everyone? Right?
Yes, sir.
It is experiencing equal gravitation. So right, because of the gravitation only it is rotating. Now just observe the visualization, what will be happening. Now I am switching off the gravitation. నేను ఇప్పుడు సన్ తల గ్రావిటేషన్ తీసేస్తున్నాను. I am switching off the gravitation. What will be the moon position? Clearly observe. I am switching off. See how the moon will be went off. If there is no gravitation, will be moon will be went off. If I am now again I am giving gravitation, no chance. Already moon went off. If it is rotating like this, clear? If I am rotating like this, see, if I am rotating like this, it is rotating, right? So because of the gravitation, the moon is rotating, or either the planet. I just introduce the planet. I can introduce planet and somewhere else. Clear? It is a planet. So for example, if I am removing the gravitation, means, see how the planet will be go off the same direction, like we have a sun activity, right? In the page number 1, gravitation page. So like this only the thread, if I am leaving the thread, like the thread only, rotating thread only, it is moving right back. I think it is understood how the gravitation. Clear? Okay, unmute.